Okay, so 4:35 a.m. I've got about 40 minutes to go and find somewhere to eat for Sahri, just somewhere local around here, and then just come back to this local masjid near the hotel for Fajr, inshallah. Okay, I saw on the map that there's some restaurants just about 5-minute walk from here. Oh, that's a big building coming up. Must be another hotel, I would imagine. There's the main road and some restaurants around here. I'm just gonna go to that one over there. Al Tajaz. No, Al Tazaj. Let's go there. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, so I've just quickly ordered a chicken and rice. Yeah, anywhere's fine. Just need to eat quickly. Thank you.
Water?
I'll have that. That's fine. Thank you. Better keep an eye on the time. Got 32 minutes. This is some big box. Chicken and rice. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but this is some massive portions, like so much rice. 2 people can easily have this. One thing I noticed here with the food, where there's rice involved, they go crazy with the rice. The amount of rice they give. It's quite a nice sauce. I don't know exactly what it is, but there's basically 4 large chunks of chicken buried in the rice. That's what you need in traffic like this, a motorbike. Traffic is absolutely mental in this underground pass-through under the Masjid Al-Haram. So busy right now. It's between Dhuhr and Asr time. Oh my god. I just checked the temperature and it's 39 degrees. Because I can literally feel the heat in the air. That is proper intense heat. Like, I'm just feeling that heat in the air basically as I'm walking through. Some proper filming going on here. I've got the big boy cameras here. It's quite windy, but let me tell you, this wind is a heated wind. It's not the breeze that you might like. This is for iftar distribution in the masjid. Each of these are handed out to one person. Alright, this part is where a lot of the 5-star hotels are. Right next to the Haram, right next to the Grand Mosque. And these hotels are very expensive. Very expensive generally, but even more so in the month of Ramadan and during Hajj time. So typically how it works is, because of the huge demand and because of the demand is higher than the supply, so obviously they can charge these like very high prices, but make it as affordable as possible for people, it's usually booked in like groups. So like each room might have like 3 beds, 4 beds, 5 beds, 6 beds even. And when people book through tour agencies, they have to share the rooms basically. That's how it works. Of course, if you've got a group of your family, 3, 4, 5, 6 of you, then you can stay in one room, that's fine. But otherwise you're staying with strangers. But to be honest, that ain't such a bad thing, because you get to meet new people. And let me tell you, when I went to Hajj about 10 years ago, yeah, made good friends with my roommates. Shout out to my Hajj roomies, Liton, Farhad, Fakrul and Kabir Bhai. This is one lineup of green taxis. This must be the address, Jabal Omar. We are pretty high up on the 36th floor. This is an amazing view. Wow, subhanallah. What a viewpoint. Salah is in progress and mad rush. Catch the Jamaat. Huge efforts for crowd control. Iftar packs ready for distribution. Brothers at work with the Zamzam water and the sisters at work getting the places ready for giving out iftar. So there's the Kaaba from the roof looking down, and the hotel I went to before, the address you can see in the background there with a bridge in the middle, and that bridge is the prayer room. So I got the view from there. This is all thanks to brother Abdul Malik Farid, Pakistani brother, I think so, Pakistani. I heard him speak in Urdu, I think. Watched a couple of his videos and yeah, saw his recommendation there. Jazakallah khair, brother. Shout out to Abdul Malik Farid. Okay, now let's go down from the roof and go inside the mosque on one of the floors. We'll get to see the inside of the mosque, and get some AC. Much needed in this 39 degrees heat. His brother coming by. I know him from through someone else, basically. Abu Tahir bhai, an accountant that I know from before, and he put us in contact. And this brother just came. When did you come?
Oh, before Ramadan.
Before Ramadan, yeah. Okay.
We're gonna stay for at least 2 months, inshallah.
MashaAllah. So yeah, finally got to meet him. We've been planning to meet last few days, but yeah, managed it today. Alhamdulillah.
يقول أرجو أن تدخلوا في الإصلاح ذات البين وإحسان الوالدين.
Okay. I got a few dates with me, and that's it. Water, and that's all.
Downstairs I bought South Indian food to bring. Because
All
we
right.
just walk with me, huh?
Yeah.
Otherwise,
I'm trying. It's hard in this crowd, isn't it?
you know the 3 door we saw?
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Wow. Completely packed up. Literally. Don't think we're gonna find a space here. What we can do, is just stay a little bit and then go back to the roof after.
No, close.
Close? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh. I want to do a nafal tawaf, just
This marble has a property of cooling property.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, you don't know the story of that?
No, I don't know this. Okay, we just found a spot amongst this huge crowd.
This one another card here, is it?
It's the memory card inside.
Okay. Can you zoom them? No, you can't.
Zoo, you can. It's not much though. Like two, only 2 times. Jazakallah khair.